Phishing attacks pose a growing threat to small and medium businesses, targeting their sensitive data and financial resources. These deceptive tactics, often delivered through fraudulent emails, trick employees into revealing confidential information or unknowingly downloading malware. For SMBs, the impact of a successful phishing attack can be devastating, leading to significant financial loss, data breaches, and reputational damage. In this guide, we'll explore the rising danger of phishing and the importance of solid email security. We'll also provide actionable strategies to protect your business from these increasingly sophisticated threats. SMB Tech and Cybersecurity Leadership Newsletter is a reader-supported publication. To receive new posts and support my work, consider becoming a free or paid subscriber. 1. Introduction to Phishing Attacks in SMBs. Phishing attacks have significantly threatened small and medium businesses. These attacks involve malicious actors sending deceptive emails to trick recipients into revealing sensitive information. The impact on SMBs can be severe, leading to financial loss, data breaches, and reputational damage. Recent statistics show a sharp rise in phishing attacks targeting SMBs, highlighting the need for robust security measures. Email security is crucial in protecting SMBs from phishing attacks. Without proper safeguards, businesses are vulnerable to various email security threats such as malware, ransomware, and spear phishing. Ensuring robust email security helps prevent unauthorized access and protect sensitive information. This guide educates readers on phishing prevention, threat identification, and effective response strategies. By the end, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to protect your SMB from phishing attacks. 2. Phishing prevention strategies. Implementing robust email security measures is one of the first steps in phishing prevention. These include using email filters and spam detection tools to identify and block suspicious emails. Secure email gateways add another layer of protection by inspecting inbound and outbound emails for threats. It is crucial to train employees to recognize phishing attempts. Regular updates and simulated phishing exercises can help employees stay vigilant. Teaching them to look for red flags, such as suspicious links and unfamiliar senders, can significantly reduce the risk of falling for phishing scams. Crafting clear policies on email use and security is essential. These policies should outline acceptable email practices and procedures for reporting suspicious emails. Regular audits and compliance checks ensure guidelines are followed and updated. 3. Identifying phishing threats. Understanding common phishing tactics is critical to identifying threats. Phishing emails often contain urgent messages prompting immediate action, such as clicking a link or providing personal information. Differentiating between phishing and spear phishing attacks, which are more targeted, is also essential. Utilizing AI and machine learning can enhance threat detection. These technologies analyze email patterns and flag suspicious activities. Integrating threat intelligence feeds into your security infrastructure provides real-time updates on emerging threats. Continuous monitoring is vital for identifying phishing threats promptly. Tools and software that offer 24/7 monitoring ensure that any suspicious activity is detected and addressed immediately. This proactive approach helps in mitigating potential damage. 4. Developing effective response strategies. Once a phishing attempt is identified, immediate action is required. Isolating affected systems prevents the spread of malicious software. Following a predefined response plan is crucial to minimize damage and secure your network. Informing stakeholders and affected parties is critical in managing a phishing incident. Transparent communication helps maintain trust, and managing public relations effectively ensures that your business reputation remains intact. After addressing the immediate threat, reviewing and revising security measures is essential. Conducting a post-mortem analysis helps identify weaknesses and prevent future attacks. Implementing lessons learned ensures continuous improvement in your security posture. 5. Attack simulation and continuous improvement. Regular phishing attack simulations prepare your team for real threats. These simulations help identify vulnerabilities and improve response strategies. They also provide valuable insights into how employees react to phishing attempts. Continuous improvement is vital for maintaining strong security measures. Regular updates and enhancements based on simulation results ensure your defenses remain effective. Encouraging a culture of constant learning and adaptation keeps your team prepared for evolving threats. Collecting and analyzing user feedback is crucial for refining training and security protocols. This feedback helps identify areas for improvement and ensures that security measures are effective and current. Conclusion: email security, phishing prevention strategies, threat identification, user training, and effective response strategies are essential. Each plays a crucial role in protecting SMBs from phishing attacks. Mitigating phishing attacks requires a proactive and comprehensive approach. SMBs must stay vigilant and continuously improve security measures to protect against evolving threats. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, SMBs can significantly reduce the risk of phishing attacks and safeguard their business. Phishing attacks pose a severe threat to SMBs, but with robust email security, user training, and effective response strategies, businesses can defend against these malicious threats. Continuous improvement and vigilance are vital to maintaining a secure environment. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your business safe.